Hi LinkedIn fam, what is the best structure for investment properties? The best structure is one that is fit for purpose to each client, personal circumstances and requirements. So there is no one-size-fits-all structure. These are 7 considerations I look at when putting a structure for a client. The first one is asset protection. Life is full of risk and liabilities, and you might run into legal dispute with others and expose your assets to third-party claims. Therefore, you might consider having investment properties in an entity difficult to make claims against its assets. The second one is taxation. Tax should never be the sole reason for choosing a structure. However, this does not mean that you don't consider tax efficiencies. If you have multiple investment income, you might consider choosing a structure that can carry all these investments and help you offset investment losses with investment gains. The third one is the number and type of parties involved. Structuring for a family group is completely different from structuring for business partners or other non-individual legal entities. Different parties introduce commercial restrictions and rules that narrow down the structure options we have. The fourth one is income usage. How the investment income will be used and accessed is another driver in structuring decision. Is it for retirement or is it for funding daily and routine expenses? Some structures like SMSF, for example, are purely for providing for retirement. If you plan to have easy access to this investment income, probably SMSF is not the right one for you. The fifth one is succession planning. No one lives forever. Any structure you put in place has to take into consideration your present and future situation. The sixth one is your exit strategy. Once you exit and sell an investment property, high chances are you would get capital gain out of it. If you know you are selling in the future, you need to consider structures that are eligible for capital gain tax concession, for example. The last one is cost and complexities. I have seen incredibly complex structures for investment, related and unrelated legal entities. The higher the complexity of the structure, the higher the cost and the maintenance requirement. A golden rule here: keep it simple and make sure the benefit you are getting out of it exceeds its cost. Now, is it possible to find a structure that covers 100% of these considerations? It is possible, depending on each investor individual situation and requirements. If covering all these considerations in one structure is not a possibility for you, I recommend choosing top 3 considerations and choose a structure that covers all these 3. I hope I have added value to your day. Let me know your thoughts around these structuring considerations.
For more information, call us or visit our website taxstoreride.com.au.